new Wheel of Fortune game comes with everything, except me.
I'll buy a vowel. I.
You got 3 eyes!
We're in the home version.
All new Home Jeopardy!
And the new Wheel of Fortune game.
Don't worry, the home version is when you play a game show at home. Here's Family Feud, the 2nd edition, 3rd edition, 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, 7th edition, and 8th edition. Let's go!
Bailey White. Ever wonder if going with a hoverboard is the right choice? Well, this video might help you to understand if it is or not.
This is something to do at home. I'll be making stress balls. Gather the supplies. Put one of the balloons onto the funnel. Make sure to put it on a paper towel because it could get messy. Pour 1/4 of the bag of glitter and 1/2 of one of the bags of water beads into the funnel. Pour water into the funnel. Add a drop of vinegar. Tie the balloon and let it sit for a few hours.
Today I will be camping in my backyard. This is my tent. It's a pretty big tent. It took us 30 minutes to put. And here are my dogs inside my tent. Hey guys, this is my dog Milo, and we are camping in our backyard. And it took us around 30 minutes to pop up our tent. We don't have a pop-up tent. It's one of the ones that you have to put poles in. Depending on the size of your tent, make sure you use adults with it too, because you can't do it all on your own. It's really hard, depending on the size. We are gonna camp here because since you can't leave outdoors, this is a fun thing to do.
Here are 3 easy ways to get some exercise. Run around your neighborhood or park. Just make sure to keep a safe distance away from everyone. Search up on YouTube at-home workouts like HIIT workouts. And lastly, practice any special skills that you would like to work on for sports, such as basketball, volleyball, soccer, etc.
Hello and welcome to Service Life at Home. Today I'll be giving you something fun to do while you're at home, and that is travel the world, but using Google Earth. And some fun places you could go using Google Earth is Australia, North America, Alaska, some fancy place in Europe that could be nice, like England. And here we are, this is the Earth, and there's a few tabs and options you could use using Google Earth, and I'm going to also talk Australian for the rest of this video because I'm obnoxious. So here we are, that is Australia. It's big and brown, and yeah, got lost there for a few minutes till I found civilization. And I hope you have fun with this website. It's really something fun to do while you're stuck at safer at home. So, good day, mate.
One thing you can do while at home is play some music with your family.
Good morning, service. Today we are interviewing 2 ASB students, Lady Rompkin and Natalie Wilson.
Hi!
Let's start with some questions.
Okay.
The canceled, what was ASB's plans for the rest of the school year?
We had the spring dance planned. We had pennies for patience, a color run, and 6th grade orientation. The Monday we were supposed to go to school, but